Oh shit, here we go again.
Hey guys, it's Ankit and I'm back with another video. So, after the Android 9 update in many smart TV, the remote was acting weirdly as it was not registering the Google Assistant button clicks in the apps. So, to resolve this, firstly we have to check that what version of the Android we have on our TV. As you can see, I have the latest Android 9 Pie version on my TV. So, let's see how to resolve this. As I have fixed it earlier, I am going to show how you can also do. As you can see that my remote button is now registering the clicks even on the home screen and even in the apps too. So I will show you how you can also do it. So you have to go to the settings, the remote and accessories option, and unpair the remote. There you can also see the remote battery percentage, which I think it's gimmicky. Now you first now that you have unpaired it, now pair it again by pressing the mi and home button again, and it works. Now you can open any app and check pressing the assistant button if it works or not. As you can see, I have opened the Netflix app and it works properly, and even though it's even working in YouTube also, earlier it was not. One more thing you can do with this remote is that you can type awesome Ankit and on the YouTube and subscribe to my channel. That's being it. Peace out.